Hey folks, Brian at Kellysport. Welcome to another episode of the Kellysport Academy. Today we're going to be doing everybody's favorite single engine docking. It's probably the most nerve-wracking experience a lot of our, especially new boat owners, experience. So we're going to hammer that home today and give you some tips and tricks. So we are going to pull up to the gas dock here. We're starting a decent distance off of the dock. Got my motor trimmed down all the way in the water. We're going to start our approach. Now the golden rule is only go as fast as you are or are comfortable hitting something. So don't go fast. Take your time, nice and easy. Nobody's going to make fun of you. I'm not even in gear right now. That's one of the biggest things people do incorrectly when docking. They get nervous and they're in a hurry. Take your time. So I've got the boat in neutral. We're just going to use the momentum. I'm going to kick it into forward once, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, back to neutral. People get afraid of going in and out of gear. Trust me, that's what these boats are made to do. So don't be afraid to do so. We're approaching the dock, so I'm going to turn my wheel to starboard all the way while I'm in neutral. Give it a little bump forward to get my momentum back to neutral. Once again, I'm in neutral. We're letting the momentum of the boat do a lot of the work. So now I'm going to straighten out a little bit to get us a little bit closer to the dock. Bump it into forward, back to neutral. Now I'm going to turn the wheel all the way to port and kick it into reverse to slow us down and swing that back end around. I'm reverse, back to neutral. And as you can tell, we're drifting nicely up towards the dock. If you need to make some more adjustments, feel free. 9 times out of 10, you're going to be docking somewhere where there's going to be attendants down on the dock. They're going to help you out. But here we are, nice and parallel to the dock. Alrighty, so we're going to do a little bit more of a tricky parking job here. We're going to go into a slip at an odd angle. Coming around the corner here from our sales docks here at Kellysport, and up ahead on my starboard side is a set of docks that I'm going to pull into one of those slips. I'm in and out of gear, just using the momentum of the boat, going nice and slow. So I'm going to get up here and then we're going to make a little maneuver to get ourselves lined up with the slip that we want to go into. And we're kind of in a tight spot, so we'll just take our time here. And one thing that a lot of people have never been taught is the old saying, steer before gear. So what that means is you're going to turn your wheel whatever direction you want to go while you're in neutral and then kick it into gear. What that's going to allow you to do is turn the boat in much tighter spots. So as you can see here, we're in a pretty tight area. So I'm going to start making my maneuver. So I've got the wheel turned all the way to the starboard. I'm going to kick it forward. Go back to neutral. Turn the wheel all the other way while we're in neutral. Kick it in reverse. And by doing this, I could sit here and just do a 360 and really not have to do much. I'm going to go all the way back to starboard and forward, back to neutral. The momentum of the boat is now moving that direction. All the way back to port with the wheel while I'm in neutral. Kick it into reverse for just a couple seconds. Keep that bow coming around. Once again, nice and slow. Back into neutral. I'm turning that wheel all the way to starboard. Bump it into forward. And now I'm lined up. Now I'm just going to go in and out of gear, nice and easy. This way too, I'm going so slow that if the wind kicks up or I need to make any adjustments, I can do so really nice and easy while I'm going in the slip. So I'm just in and out of gear, nice and easy. I'm in neutral currently. Getting a little crooked, so I'm going to adjust that. And don't be afraid, to throw it into reverse and use that wheel to move that front end as well. And there you have it. That's it. I know it might make that a little easier than it sounds, but for more information, there's all sorts of great docking information online. So check that out online. We've got more videos coming for docking. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you out on the water.